Hey YouTube, it's Peter Martin, the Web Doc, and we've made a lot of progress. It is December 22nd, and you know, we've got this part of the wall done. We've got a finished little insulation there, and we've got above the door done. We got this piece put in yesterday with the electrical. You can see we've got another piece of drywall right there, but as we come around the room, you can see we've made a considerable amount of progress. We've framed in the drainage pipe that comes down. We do that with plywood, and then we insulate it because that does get noisy when water is being used. As you can see right there, comes the main drain for the house. We're going to finish this wall tonight. We did that one last night. Dylan and I cut that one in. Fit pretty nicely. Then we're finishing up over here. That will be made so it can open. So we have access to those drain pipes. We're going to frame out the closet and work in closing in the hot water heaters. So we made a lot of progress. So here's what the room looks like. The weightlifting equipment is going to go away. As we walk back towards the theater room, you can see we've got another load of lumber in today. So the theater room is making some progress. We're going to close that out, cover the front of it. Hopefully get that done tonight as well. So we're making a lot of progress. Got to get some insulation done. We are going to start shopping for a door tomorrow. They like to close this off. We've been running the wires for the theater room. They're going to come in here, and this is where we are going to have the rack system. So it'll be behind a closed door. So we're running all the wires to here. So we've been doing all the wiring. You can see up at the top there we have a lot of cable sticking through the ceiling. Trying to get everything pre-wired. So when we're ready, all we've got to do is turn on the equipment and plug it in. So the Web Doc checking in with you on a cold December 22nd night. And in a couple hours, we'll show you the progress. But the goal is to have this finished before the weekend's out.